Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hope. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hope. Cause I can't move on till I let go.
Di Pantai Mati Rotasi sambil melihat seperti biasa aktivitas nelayan. Saya sangat suka merekam aktivitas nelayan yang mencari ikan dengan alat tangkap yang sangat sederhana. Dari Mati Rotasi ini saya menuju ke Soreang. Di Soreang ini sama, saya juga melihat aktivitas nelayan. Ada juga ibu-ibu yang mencari kerang. Ini bukan kerang ajaib ya. Kerang ini biasanya dijual mulai dari 5.000 sampai 30.000 rupiah tergantung banyaknya. Nah ini biasanya bisa kita temui dari pagi sampai sore. Bahkan sampai sore mereka mencari kerang di sekitar pantai Soreang ini.
Cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not fucking likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running shit right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains. I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange. Popping off and ripping veins, gonna make a fucking name. I just wanna be famous, but I don't wanna cheat fame. No, I'm not that vain. I just wanna be great. My neighbors compete to see who can put up more blinding lights. The kids all wish away the month 'cause they want presents in sight. This year is so bad. I've been rising, cold and rising. You need to run your country. I think that my Christmas has died. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste me, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate me, you know where to find me. If you go and hate me, you can fucking fight me. Okay, I'm going off every chance I get. I don't really take the loss, well, I'll admit. That's why I'll make it to the top, yeah, I commit. And no, I'm never getting lost, I get after it. Investing in my own stock, 'cause it's faster than any crypto hits go that we spend. Everything that you see is something I invent, and it's only a percent. I'm gonna take shots, if I miss all, forget it. I'll take a fat loss just to learn all that's in it. I'm taking snapshots, learning how to fall and get it. I'm getting back up, always stand tall, don't sweat it. I never back up, I don't miss a thing or regret it. I'm always learning, you could call me academic. I'm always working, never been apathetic. Bad energy is like a poison, needs some antiseptic. Ain't no motherfucker in this world can do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love.
Baik teman-teman, dari peletakan batu pertama pembangunan masjid bersama Bapak Kapolda dan Wakil Wali Kota Parepare kita sedikit jalan-jalan lagi masih di wilayah sini ya, Kecamatan Bacu Kiki dan Bacu Kiki Barat. Di sini di sekitar terminal Lumpue ya, di sini ada tempat yang kerap dijadikan tempat sampah nih sama warga nih. Nah mungkin diperlukan bak penampungan besar di sini. Sebenarnya ada bak sih, bak penampungan sampah, cuman kecil banget dan sering meluber. Dan baknya juga udah kelihatan rusak sih, mau diganti kali ya. Di sini juga kita melewati posko penanganan COVID-19. Dan sepertinya ada tanda-tanda teman-teman bahwasanya kasus ini mungkin semakin lama semakin turun. Ini tentunya menjadi kabar baik bagi seluruh masyarakat Indonesia, di mana kasus COVID-19 itu semakin lama semakin turun dan jumlahnya itu sudah tidak terlalu mencemaskan, dan mungkin inilah yang membuat beberapa posko di perbatasan itu sudah tidak terlalu maksimal, bahkan ada yang sudah dibubarkan, nggak ada posko lagi. Contoh misalnya di perbatasan baru Pare-Pare Baru ini sudah terlihat kosong ya, berarti memang sudah tidak terlalu mungkin ada jadwal tertentunya. Nah bahkan di Kabupaten Baru posko yang ada di perbatasan Pare-Pare itu oleh pemerintah Kabupaten Baru sudah tidak ada lagi. Jadi hampir di semua daerah. Sidrap juga sudah tidak ada lagi. Mungkin dipindahkan atau mungkin